Alko is the worldwide market leader and the technology specialist for chassis constructions, providing the basis for caravans, motorhomes, and commercial vehicles and trailers. With its innovations, the company is one of the most important driving forces in the development of the caravan industry. This is a claim backed by facts. Alko has produced the running gear systems deployed in over 180,000 motorhomes and commercial vehicles. The lightweight assemblies, air suspension and shock absorber components offer comfort, quality and safety on the highest level of automotive engineering, and that is a persuasive argument indeed. It has excellent comfort values. Even in slalom driving and obstacle avoidance testing, the behavior was good. This is a very well-established running gear which can be bought without any second thoughts. The Alko Development Department. A staff of 70 are employed here, working on the development and testing of new products for various vehicle platforms until they are ready for series manufacture, and on improving existing products. Our customers appreciate comfortable motoring. They have many possibilities of adding feature components. We have pneumatic suspension systems, we have optimized chassis systems, we have support struts which are adapted for our constructions. The assembly plant is located in the town of Ettenbeuren. Frank Hermeling is head of testing at Alko and is very much involved in the tests conducted with the AMC Sasí and its ancillary equipment. This is the final assembly of our chassis. This is where the vehicle cab is connected to the running gear to form the basic platform for a motorhome. Because an Alko chassis is itself very light, the motorhome can carry a much heavier load, up to 100 kilos more than a normal chassis would permit. In spite of the reduced weight, there is no reduction in the stability of the frame construction whatsoever. On the contrary, data shows that the AMC chassis has enhanced bending stiffness and thus more stability when in motion. Following final assembly, we carry out safety and quality control testing. We drive the vehicle onto the brake testing rig and check the braking performance on both front and rear axles. We also check the ABS and the ESP systems. Then we verify the basic suspension settings, checking the track, the camber, and the coasting behavior, and where necessary, adjustments will be made. Back at the testing section, Frank Hermeling and his department conduct static and dynamic testing on AMC chassis conversions. The tests simulate the driving of a motorhome with trailer, with the rigidity of the frame being put to the test over a 5-week period. Endurance testing is carried out at the rolling road test facility built within Alko's test department at Kurz. A Carthago motorhome is being put to the test, simulating the stresses and strains of a journey distance of 10,000 kilometers. Yes, when we've finished on the test rig, I am then really happy to go out on the track. There we can see what the vehicle can really do. The test circuit features 4 different roadway surface types. One is set to generate sine wave interference in order to test the shock absorbers. Another is surfaced with cobblestones and features gaps up to 5 centimeters deep. Then there is a section of washboard track with lateral bumps and a pothole stretch with up to 6 centimeter deep depressions. All of this is a really tough test for the running gear components. Here we find Heiko Paul, head of testing for the professional journal Reisemobil International. He is subjecting 4 similar motorhomes of the type Carthago Chic C line to a test marathon. The focus of his attention is on the sole difference between the vehicles, their suspensions. The test equipment measures the noise and the lateral movement of the vehicle. The louder the sound emitted and the more the motorhome shakes and moves, the less satisfactory its suspension and the less comfortable it is going to be. Alko chassis suspension variant 1. The Alko AMC chassis with torsion bar suspension. Advantages? With the lightweight chassis, overall weight is reduced. A lower center of gravity makes for good road holding. Comfort and safety are optimized through the individual wheel suspension, and for the end user, a further important point is the long-lasting durability of the chassis. The basis AMC chassis is one which offers good driving characteristics. It has a relatively well-sprung back axle, and thanks to the width of the track, displays very stable driving behavior.
Durch diese breite Spur natürlich auch ein recht stabiles Fahrverhalten.
Suspension variant 2. The ALC level controller replacing customary shock absorbers. The advantages? Without recourse to external energy, the ALC keeps the rear axle always at the optimum level, independently for each side of the vehicle. Together with the improved spring damping, there is a perceptible improvement in driving comfort on any road surface. One notices a difference with the ALC variants. The result is a little bit more harmonious, with the rear end benefiting from the leveling. Suspension variants 3 and 4, high-tech solutions for maximum comfort and maximum safety. The complete pneumatic suspension, Air Premium X2 for the rear axle, or Air Premium X4 for both rear and front axles. When full pneumatic suspensions are installed, the standard units are replaced with high-volume air bellows. When potholes are encountered or on cobblestone surfaces, the X4 Premium system is equal to the task.
Die Vorderachse ist
The front axle is more softly sprung and more responsive too. It allows the wheel to descend better into uneven sections of road surface thanks to the longer suspension travel. All of this is good for the vehicle cab, which remains more stable.
die bleibt einfach ruhiger.
Air Premium X4 advantages: best possible springing comfort, maximum driving stability, fully automatic auto-level functionality, level control for front and rear axles. Important for the customer, the Air Premium X2 and X4 systems can be installed on existing chassis.
Die Premium-Variante.
The premium version is, of course, the X4 running gear. Above all, in terms of comfort, it is significantly more advanced.
Allen anderen wirklich Klassen überlegen.
Anyone choosing an Alko chassis and the available equipment components can be sure of enjoying comfort, quality and safety on the streets and highways of Europe.